It's early November here in our demonstration beds in Zilker Botanical. We've had definitely a cold snap, temperatures around the 40s, and with all the wind that we had, the wind is what can really dry out leaves and really begin to decimate some of your summer crops. This is our Three Sisters garden. We planted corn in August. We planted Kentucky Wonder beans when the corn was about a foot high, and then we have some tatumi squash. So our corn we're harvesting right now. We have a big pollinator between it. We have an indigo spires, and then we have our sweet potatoes that we planted in June. So we will soon be harvesting these things and thinking about what to plant for spring. But in between, we're going to be planting a cover crop. We'll want to keep our soil active, and we can use that cover crop. We can chop and drop that cover crop before it blooms in the spring. You'll hear about soil building mixes for cover crops, and stay tuned and we'll have a video all about cover crops coming soon.